let me explain what the numbers 1 and 2 mean on top of the Erbauer drill. So as we have a look at here, and we can see number 1, and we flick it forward, we see number 2. Now what do they actually mean? Let's put it back in number 1. Now number 1 means low speed, high torque. It makes the drill turn slowly but with maximum torque of the actual Erbauer drill. You want to use this on large and long screws in tough material when drilling large holes, so concrete, things like that. Now if we slip it into number 2, this is high speed and lower torque, and what this does, it makes the drill spin fast but with less twist force. We want to use this to drill clean holes, so wood, plastic, metal, things like that. You want speed 2. So high speed, low torque is number 2. Number 1, low speed, high torque. So concrete, things like that. So hopefully this makes you better understand what the actual 1 and 2 mean on the top of the Erbauer drill. If it does, drop a comment below and let us know. Also, don't forget to smash that like and hit the subscribe button for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.